Hey guys, your girl here, Tanisha. So this is the best multivitamin, okay, on the dog on planet, okay. I've been taking this vitamin for 3 years, right? My blood levels actually has went up because of me taking this vitamin. My energy level, of course, has went up, and my blood is flowing right through my body, right? So we need vitamins, friends, in order for us to function right, our bones to function right, our joints to function right, our mind to function right, okay? And one capsule of this is like eating 10 salads. Now, how many people do you know eat 10 salads, friends, on a daily basis? No. So I do, right? I eat about 10 to 20 salads a day because I'm taking at least 1 to 2 caps of this NutriBurst right here. So here is the ingredients in the NutriBurst, right? It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, foliate, biotin, magnesium, selenium. Now, selenium, a lot of people don't know what selenium is, but you can actually look it up, okay? Selenium helps fight off diseases. It helps fight off major issues, right, in our body. So selenium literally fights for us inside of our body, right, so that our body can stay healthy. Too many people have cancer. Too many people have diabetes. Too many people have whatever, hypertension, high blood pressure, cholesterol problems, friends, simply because they're not putting the right stuff in their body, friends. So I love Total Life Changes, friends. I've lost over 100 pounds. It's going on 4 years, and I'm keeping it off. I feel good about Total Life Changes. I love it. I made about 80 grand with Total Life Changes. I still make money. TLC pays me every single week. And what I love about TLC, it's a cash business. So I literally can sell 1 pack of tea and make $20 today. I can sell a bottle of NutriBurst and make $50, $60 today. I can sell 5 of these and make $25 today. Okay, friends. So I absolutely love Total Life Changes. It has changed my life. Here's my favorite product of them all is the Latin style coffee. This is my favorite right here of them all. Okay, with the Delgada. TLC has about 50 products. So I love this coffee. Okay, and this coffee, this is how I start my day with that coffee. And then I take my NutriBurst, okay, and my NRG, and I feel good throughout the day. I'm not sluggish. I'm not living on a hope or a wish or a prayer. I don't need a Red Bull. I don't need a Monster drink, friends. I feel great. I'm telling you, friends, when you're healthy and your health is intact, you feel great. You want to do better. You want to move forward. Remember, friends, every single day, my friends, okay, every single day, all right, you supposed to grow. So you do things daily, right? That's going to help you grow every month, every week, every year, right? It doesn't make sense to have life or try to live a life and you're dying, right? Too many people year after year, their health is declining. We want, TLC said, you know what? We want to help people increase their health. We want you to have better health. We want you to live long. We want you to think good. We want you to sleep good. We want you to wake up, with the right energy, guys. I wake up to this coffee every single morning. This is the coffee. I wake up to the coffee every single morning, friends. Right now, this is the herbal coffee, and we have the weight loss coffee, the Delgada, okay? This is the vitamin I take every day. This is the Chewy. It's a detox. This also detoxes. The tea also helps you lose weight and detox at the same time. This helps you to detox. So if you know people that are cancer survivors, women that are cancer survivors, breast cancer survivors, or they were taking chemo, or they were taking all of these, medications, friends, they need to Chewy. You need to take at least 3 to Chewy a day, okay? And it also helps you gain weight. So you would eat it with your food, okay? And then you would take 3 a day to detox your body, a heavy metal detox, okay? This is a green algae from the sea, and it smells like fish, but it's capsules. So you can take 3 capsules a day, friends. It's called Chewy, and it also helps build your muscle. So I love TLC. It's the best health and wellness multi-level marketing direct sale company, friends, on the planet. So make sure you go to workwithtanisha.com. okay, to see how you can get involved with the best health and wellness company, okay. And then if you just want to try some of the products, go to myherbtea.com. If you just want to try some tea, I'll put the link below for that as well, friends. So just want to try a week supply, I'll put a link below for that, friends. So TLC, I love it. It's amazing. It's the best dag-on company. Been with them going on 4 years. Like I said, I made about 80 grand in the company. I'm still making money to this day. I still got people hooked on it. My husband's hooked on the NutriBurst. My aunt's hooked on the chaga and the NutriBurst. My grandmother hooked on the coffee. I mean, this company is amazing, friends, when you can get your family involved in something and help your family to get healthy and stay healthy, friends. It's a lovely thing, right? Life is about what? Family, your health, and your wealth. Period. That's it. That's all that matters. Your family, your health, and your wealth, friends. And TLC is allowing people to do that, guys. So Total Life Change is the best multi-level marketing company on the planet. We've been around almost 20 years, friends, and we're still rolling, we're still rocking. And I'm looking to partner up with at least 100 women that want to get healthy, okay, that want to live better, right, that want to have better eyesight, that want to sleep better, that want to go to the bathroom. I'm telling you, I used to be constipated until I started drinking this tea. I'm telling you, this tea is it's the truth, okay. You don't need to take all those pills and all that other crap. This right here, this all natural tea is the truth, friends. I love it, and I'm looking to help 100 women get healthy, stay healthy, okay, and also now help the world get healthy, friends. Go to workwithtanisha.com.